The ground is real sandy around here. And I believe that a lot of these, like these gullies like this, I believe a lot of them were probably roads that led down to the river. You know, dirt roads, buggy trails, horse and buggy trails that led down to the river. And over the years, they washed out, you know. The water would run down the road during a heavy rain and just start eroding all the dirt. And like I said, it's real sandy in here. There's a lot of hills up and down. That's where we're going today. There's a spot up here that it looks like an old, it's a dry creek bed, like an overflow there when we get heavy rains. And what it does is I think what it was is it was a road leading down to the main river down there, and I got a feeling it turned into a creek bed. We did find some stuff down there yesterday. Well, I did. Jimmy found a Manet ball there, those Civil War bullets, the 3 ringers, which is kind of odd up here because we don't usually find them up here. But I don't know if it was if they made bullets for a civilian version of that gun, or if it was some kind of a gun maybe somebody brought back there and they had ammo for it. I don't know. It's just kind of odd because we don't usually find that up here. Pretty color. What's in here? Yeah, well anyways, yesterday, like I said, my camera wasn't working. But I found, and I'll show it in like a wrap up. After today, I'll put it in with whatever I find today, if anything. Oh, what's this? Except for turkeys and ducks here, they take a beating out here. Okay, well, we're gonna mosey up this way. Yeah, so anyways, I found I ended up finding a shoe buckle, another shoe buckle. Crap, it's like the 3rd one this year. Not complete though, kind of stomped too. Kind of twisted. I don't know if a horse stepped on it or what, but shoe buckle. I ended up finding what I believe to be, from what I can't read the date on it, but it looks like a half-cent. What is it? King George III half-cent. From what I can gather, they made that, the one that I got, they made from 1770 to 1775. So, I mean, that's a good find for me. That's actually my oldest coin to date, you know. And then I found a 1881 Indian head. Let's see what else. Found like 3 or 4 musket balls. Old ones, the old Revolutionary colonial style, the heavy ones. And let's see, that's about it as far as I can remember. But like I said, I'll throw that in the wrap up after today. Hopefully I can find something today then. I'll be able to wrap everything up. Okay, I'm going to shut this off until I get to my spot.